Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. This is my first look at Heart. It looks like they have a lot of other videos. They have pre-debut ones, performance video, pushback. There's a lot of stuff. They have they have like performances, covers. Okay, I've been hearing a little bit of At Heart a bit here and there, so I am very curious about them. They are brand new. I don't know much about the girls themselves, or the music. So this is a first like blind reaction, if you want to call that. Don't know what you got till it's gone. Don't know what you got gone. Don't know what you got. Don't know what you got till it's. Don't know what you got till it's. Whoa. What the? Sorry for pausing. That beginning was kind of crazy, actually. We're on like this pop indie vibe like before, and then the whole like this part right here. Oh wait, that's a weird like creepy synth whatever thing in the background. After the ick. Oh, ooh. Ooh, plot twist. It's a crazy gas mask. Whoa, what the hell? Woo! A grenade? Interesting. Whoa. Plot twist. That little dance where they hold their heads is kind of crazy. Oh! Ooh. That reminds me of something. Oh, like Wizard of Oz? Oh shoot, she got taken away. Ooh. Oh, what the hell? Was she good? Nothing. Something's up. It's a plot twist. Ooh. Kind of crazy. That was kind of crazy. I liked it. The voice boxes. I think they're using voice boxes, right? I like that. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of when I'm doom scrolling through TikTok and a creepy like audio background video comes on. That little kind of reminds me of that. I feel like I've been saying this, like it's very uncanny kind of feel, like the music itself. That's just that's what I relate it to. Production of this is crazy too. The music production, that I love that. Fire. I like it. I like it. It's interesting. It's very interesting. It's a little weird. I like that. Music wise, definitely probably listen to it more often than expected. I didn't expect to like it like that off the bat, to be honest. But yeah, At Heart, I see why people are talking about you. I see why people are talking about you, At Heart.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.